have 2017 Toyota RAV4. Customer purchased an LED fog light a long time ago. Gone bad. This is the old one. We already have it out. I'm going to explain to you how we take it out. On the bottom side of it, on the top. Actually, you remove these clips, pull this away from the back. This was actually this way, so it's not bottom. So on the top, there is a, can you hold this? There is a locking clip right here. So you're gonna pull this clip, center pin upward, remove that, then you can pull this behind and release. And the new one, as you can see, if you don't have a fog light, this car does, it comes with a dummy panel. So you're gonna break this apart, you just push it in, it breaks apart. Transfer, if you have fog light, you transfer the light into it. Maybe you should do it from behind so you don't stretch. Just a little plastic tabs here and there, break apart. And once you break this apart, get the old one out by removing 2 screws. 2 or 3 screws? Just 2 screws. And put this back in. Same way it comes out. And putting it in is the same thing. You reach behind, push the clip on, and you're going to do the wiring. Same thing, you push it in foam and put the locking pin on the top of it. Next to the battery, there's a fuse box here, and they put a tab. This is one of those fuse tabs, so we're going to hook it up the same way. Okay, on the driver's side, the turn signal bulb, which is on the top here, on the back of it, there are 3 wires. We are using the yellow wire as a turn signal on the driver's side. That's the factory color. So we're going to obviously redo that. On the passenger side, also 3 wires there. On the top, let me see what color that is. That's also, no, that's a blue wire. So the blue wire on the passenger side is a turn signal. Yellow wire on driver's side is a turn signal from the light bulb that's on the corner. There are 3 wires, as I said. So be sure to connect the right wire for the turn signal. Alright, so we transfer the old fog light. Make sure there's a left and right, they are different. And once you transfer, it's like that. Let's put it in. Again, he's putting from behind. Like this. Line it up. There are plastic locking clips on the side, and also 1 clip we took out from the top section of it. And we simply pressure fit it into the place. Put the light bulb back in. We're going to have to rewire the old module, which is no good. It's gone bad. Customer said it stays on sometimes it's flickering. So he bought a new set. So we're going to cut out everything. This is bad wiring.